60 minus 5 gives us 11. And again, here we have 16 minus 5, and that also gives us 11. And 11 times 11 is equal to 121. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, right? Parentheses are the first thing to solve, and then after we solve the parentheses, we have to move to exponents, right? So exponents are the second thing to solve, and after we solve all the exponent, we are allowed to move to multiplication or division, and then finally we solve addition or subtraction. So here is their priority. Parenthesis is priority number 1, exponent is priority number 2, and multiplication or division is priority number 3, and at last addition or subtraction has priority number 4. So according to this rule, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? So we have to solve multiplication before subtraction going according to the order of operation. So here we have parentheses, subtraction, and here we have a hidden multiplication, right? So for those of you who don't know, if a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication. So we have to do the parentheses, then the multiplication, then finally the subtraction, right? So that is the correct order. So 16 minus 5 gives us 11. And the problem becomes 16 minus 5 times 11. So now we have to do the multiplication, right? We have one multiplication and one subtraction, and since multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, we have to do it first. So 5 times 11 gives us 55, and 16 minus 55 is equal to negative 39. So the final answer to this question is negative 39.